All right, Jason will have his full forecast in just a moment, but first, this was the view from Pine Point Beach in Scarborough today. Some big waves crashing into shore, showing the remnants of that strong storm that dumped a lot of rain on the state yesterday. Some similar views spotted at Scarborough's Higgins Beach as well. All right, Jason, the storm is come and gone. We're looking at a very classic fall week with maybe some freeze in the mix.
Yeah, we started off bumpy and now things quiet down, and then we get into the northern mountains this week as that first, dip down in temperatures. How about over towards Augusta? 48 degrees, clouds and stars, a light breeze tonight. No issues whatsoever. And as we get into the day tomorrow, 60 degrees, sun and clouds mixed, as typical a fall day as it gets. Wind out of the south at 10 miles an hour. Cooler overnight with passing clouds, mild temps by October standards, and the first freeze up in the northern wind-sheltered valleys. Here's the average first 32 across the state. October 8th, Portland and Augusta, Bangor the 6th, and Freiburg September 21st. None of these spots have hit that 32 that I'm aware of. So, yeah, we're a little bit behind schedule. 40s here and 50s across the board. So along the coastline, you got that warmer ocean influence. So that's why temperature at Eastport 54, Rockland 56, but up in the county already in the 30s because you're away from that warmer ocean. Remember, seasonal lag, okay? So the ocean takes longer to cool down. Low pressure spreading to our north and west. That's what's left of the remnants of Philippe, plus the cold front. Everything kind of all went together yesterday. And now we got clouds coming through in the morning time. Here's your passing clouds. A few showers up towards Cowles and Eastport, up in the county around Holton, Caribou during the early Monday hours. Here's still showers training over basically just portion of down east, but not expecting any flooding from this. There'll be passing showers. We got an upper low that's getting stuck here on the weather highway. I call that the digest the weather highway. So you got a broken down car or an upper level low that's just stuck, and it's going to move very slowly with that busted tire just east. It's going to take some time until Friday does it move just to the east of us. So that means typically we're going to get those fall temperatures and we don't drop down out of the typical highs until Sunday or Monday of the upcoming weekend. So it's going to take some time, but for now, small craft is up, seas 5 to 7. Wind is going to be gusting at 25 knots. Those seas are coming down a bit. Indigenous Peoples Day, that is on your Monday. For Tuesday, a Northern Valley freeze. Everyone else will be clear. Wednesday is scattered showers for inland, not at the coast. You'll see those here popping up into Thursday. And then for the weekend, I've kept inland dry. However, there will be a storm trying to get going next weekend along the coast. So right now, that's 6 or 7 days away. I don't want to make any big promises about rain or no rain, but I can tell you, got a week to track that stuff on social media, and then I'll be here on Thursday to track that. You obviously have, I believe Aaron is filling in for Todd tomorrow, and you got Keith back from vacation, and Dana. We're all here letting you know about your weekend plans. All
right, looks like the roster is fully stacked this week. And Jason, I know we'll figure out what's going on next weekend, but it looks like a few days to enjoy some crisp fall air very soon.
Hit the pumpkin patch. Get out.
All right, Jason. Thank you.